Doing a video here on Icon wire stripper. Took it out of the package and tried it. I just want to show you guys. This is kind of normal wire on a car. You got different sizes here. I'll go to the smallest size and put it in here. Not too bad. You see now it slides right in and out. It's just some discrepancies in the size of this wire, and I know there's smaller wires on cars than this size. Ain't gonna do it. And you got this piece. I don't know what gauge it is, but it's a little bigger. Slides through this hole. Let's try this one. Maybe this is it. Try the smaller one. No. Kind of useless, guys. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind this down a little bit so these close farther. I'll just grind this down. These are 20 bucks. Might be good for electrician for house wiring, but as far as cars, smallest hole is here. You can see that doesn't even close all the way, so maybe I gotta grind this. Be back at you. Yeah, I ground this down probably as much as I'm gonna. Still don't work. Maybe for electrician or something, but as far as you're working on cars, forget it. There's that small hole again. Here's the smallest setting on this side. Well, like that. I think if you angle it a little, you gotta angle it a little. No. Pull it, nothing. A little angle. That did it, but once we pull it on an angle. So for 20 bucks, they're junk. Okie dokie.